Hey everybody, this is Carl with Puma Performance Marketing, and I wanted to give an update on our video ranking prowess to prove that we can get you on page one, rank you highly, and get the phone ringing for you, because after all, that's what it's all about, right? We have a client in Allen, Texas. They have a franchise. They own the franchise rights to a home tutoring franchise called Tutor Doctor, and their website, which we are helping them set up, is called Texas Home Tutoring. Now, I want to start at the local level and show you what we've done, and then I'll take you to the regional level. So this is the keyword phrase tutoring Allen, Texas. This is one of the terms they wanted to rank for, and it's fairly competitive. You can see there's a lot of other companies doing this. There's about 500,000 results, other competing pages, and in just a short period of time, really in a couple of weeks, we've got their video. This is it right here on page one. And you can see that if you go down here and you look at this, where does your eye go? It goes right to the video. I'd also like to point out that the press release we did for them, Tutor Dr. of Allen, Texas, now open. That's our press release that we did. So we've actually, in just a very short period of time, we've got them on 2 slots on page one for their local keyword term, which is tutoring Allen, Texas. And our goal in the future is to help them dominate Google Maps, and that'll be sort of the next phase of this. So that's one thing that I wanted to show you. And then let's go to the very specific keyword phrase, home tutoring Allen, Texas. And this has over 600,000 competing results. Well, this was the one we really wanted to emphasize because it more specifically describes what they do. They provide in-home tutoring. Well, as you can see, they are right here, number 3 in the organic. Actually, excuse me. Yeah, number 3 in the organic results. These are paid ads up here. So you've got 1, 2, 3. And again, where does your eye go when you're looking at this page? It goes to the video. The video now has hundreds of views. It's gotten them a lot of phone calls. I also wanted to point out that on this page, we've actually got, once again, their press release is showing up. And here, even though the website is just a skeleton of a website right now, we haven't begun to flesh it out. TexasHomeTutoring.com is the website. We've got them in 1, 2, 3 slots on page one, and this is with a very small budget and very, very minimal effort. Basically on their behalf, they just handed us off the project, so we can do the same kind of thing for you. And imagine what kind of results you get if you had three of the 10 slots on page one for your keyword term. You will get phone calls, you will get business off of that. In a more serious campaign, we could probably own half of these. So we could do the same thing for you. Finally, on the regional level, Texas Tutoring, which has over 8 million competing results. It's a fairly serious term. We are excited because the video is showing up on this page, and we're not specifically targeting this page. The local keyword terms are the ones we're really specifically targeting, but this is one that we want to go after long term because they're trying to build kind of a regional site, even though they work locally in the Allen, Texas, which is kind of a Dallas suburb area. They want to do stuff on a regional level as well. So we've got them ranking on a number of different keywords, and there's some others as well I won't go into here, but you see the point. We can get you ranking quickly, we can get your videos ranking, and when we do a nice video for you like this one, and I encourage you to go take a look at it, it's the kind of video that imparts a very classy message, the kind of message you want people to see and hear about your business. We built the video custom for them, and then we got it ranked quickly, and we're in the process of doing more stuff. So hopefully you can understand and see the power of what Puma can do for you. Once again, I'm Carl. Give me a call, 805-765-2050. That's 805-765-2050. Video marketing does not have to be super expensive, and in my opinion, it's far more powerful than any other kind of marketing you can do online. So I hope to hear from you. Once again, 805-765-2050, and I'm out.